Hare Krishna. We are discussing on the 34th verse of the 3rd chapter today, wherein Krishna says that, my dear Arjuna, I have told you so much about restraint of senses. Restraint comes when I am using senses, then comes restraint. Krishna says, best my dear Arjuna, don't use much senses. जितना हो सके विरक्ति का जीवन जियो. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे ही आप इंद्रियों को कंट्रोल्ड यूज करने जाओगे, there is a huge possibility that इंद्रिय अनकंट्रोल्ड हो ही जाएंगे. So in a very subtle way, Krishna is advocating virakti or jnana above karma. Yes, karma we have been seeing. Krishna says restrain, 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 restrain. Krishna says now don't rely too much on restraint. Srila Prabhupada explains this concept very beautifully. He says even on the best of the highways there are accidents. So the concept of restraint is like driving your car at a very high speed on a very good highway. Accident होने के chances है ही हैं. So we have the 34th verse. इंद्रियस्य इंद्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ. He says, Krishna says, Indriyasya of the senses, Indriyasya artha, the object of senses. Whenever senses will come in contact with their objects, whenever tongue will come in contact with a very palatable dish, whenever eyes will see a beautiful form, whenever ears will hear something palatable to the ego, whenever skin touches something soft, yes, all these ways there is indriya which are coming in contact with indriya artha. Artha means meaningful. For eyes, beautiful is meaningful. For tongue, tasty is meaningful. For skin, softness is meaningful. For ears, our praise is meaningful. So indriyasya artha, senses coming in contact with their sense objects. What will they do? The result of senses coming in contact with their objects will be raga and dvesha. Raga means attachment and dvesha means I don't want it. हमारी ज़िंदगी ऐसी ही चलती है ना. हमें कोई चीज़ खाने में बहुत अच्छी लगती है, हम खाते हैं, पेट भर जाता है, मन भर जाता है, फिर 2 महीने तक वो चिंता या इच्छा नहीं सताती, 2 महीने के बाद फिर से सताती है. हम अपनी बढ़ाई सुनने के आदी हैं. अगर 4 लोग निंदा कर दें, यस, गुस्सा आता है. कभी कभी इतनी बढ़ाई सुन लेते हैं कि अरे बहुत बढ़ाई सुन लिया, अभी कोई 4 ताने भी मार दे, कोई टेंशन नहीं. लेकिन बहुत समय तक बढ़ाई नहीं सुनी, हमें लगता क्या ही है. यस, इट इज देयर विद इन एवरी सेंस. इंद्रिया एंड इंद्रिय अर्थ, they will ultimately result in raga and dvesha. So as long as one is on sensual platform of raga dvesha, what will happen? There is always a possibility of fall down. चाहे हम कितना ही रेगुलेशन करें. हमने देखा है कि नहीं, एवरी स्टूडेंट नोज, हर साल इस साल में इतने परसेंटेज लाऊंगा ही, इतना रोज पढ़ूंगा ही. कहाँ होता है वो? नहीं होता. यस, it is all like this. So tayor na vasham agachet. Don't rely too much on your mind and senses, Arjuna. I am telling you this, I have been telling you this concept of restraint, but by nature mind and senses will not like restraint. You might think, you might be convinced कि restraint होगा, लेकिन वो actually नहीं होगा. tayor na vasham agachet. Yes, because the concept of restraining senses is also paripanthin. Paripanthin means a stumbling block. As soon as there is sense enjoyment or mental enjoyment, it's a restraint, it's a stumbling block in our spiritual realization. So even if one is on the best way of restraining one's senses and mind, but restrain means in restrain, I'm using them. So Krishna is basically advocating ज्ञान. बहुत ज़्यादा अपने रिस्ट्रेन के ऊपर विश्वास मत रखो. ये रिस्ट्रेन बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं आने वाला है. तयोर न वशम आगच्छेत्. बेस्ट इज completely give it up. Completely give it up. Yes. See, having enjoyment and restraining is like बहुत भूख लगी है, सामने खाने की थाली भी है, लेकिन देखना है और खाना नहीं है. देखते रहना है, खाना नहीं है. Not having only any sense enjoyment is like भूख लगी है, लेकिन खाने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. Which is easy. भूख बहुत लगी है, खाने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. इस केस वन. सेकंड, खाने के लिए मस्त प्लेट है, उसको खाना नहीं है. Second is more difficult. Yes. So Krishna says, Tayor na vasham agacche. It's a stumbling block. Best is, वो प्लेट को हटा दो, दूर रख दो कोने में. That's why we see Jnana and Vairagya are really the epitomes of how to renounce this material world and to come out of the concept of birth, death, karmic cycles, vasanas, everything. So here Krishna says exactly the same. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna